Hello there, WhatsApp users. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to export your WhatsApp contacts. If you're looking to back up or transfer your contacts from WhatsApp to another device or platform, you're in the right place. So let's dive into our full guide on how to export your WhatsApp contacts. Step 1. To do so, you'll need to download the Export Contacts for WhatsApp app. This app is available on the Google Play Store for Android devices. Step 2. Go to your Google Play Store app on your Android device. Search for a green icon with a few avatars, representing the Export Contacts for WhatsApp app. Step 3. Tap and hold on the app icon, and then tap on Install to download the app onto your device. Step 4. Wait until the app is fully downloaded, and tap on Open to launch it. Step 5. Grant the app all the necessary permissions. Once opened, select the option to export contacts from the available options. Step 6. Since the app we downloaded is free, select the option to export 100 contacts. Step 7. Type in the name of the file that the contacts will be exported to. Choose a name that you can easily recognize. Step 8. Select the format of the file. Ideally, choose CSV or VCF format if you plan to share the file or use it with other platforms. Step 9. Lastly, wait until the file is exported. The app will process the contacts and export them to the specified file. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to export your WhatsApp contacts. By following these simple steps, you can back up or transfer your contacts hassle-free. Remember, exporting your contacts ensures you have a backup and allows for easy migration to other devices or platforms when needed. Thank you for watching today's video on how to export your WhatsApp contacts. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and happy exporting.